Hello traders. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at an expert advisor called Sentient EA for MetaTrader 5. This one's marketed for 33 US dollars as a kind of next generation scalper, especially for gold, and the sales speed leans heavily on optimization and cluster signals. Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So now let's walk through what the developer is actually promising for the Sentient EA. Then we'll look at their own tests. And finally, I'll show you what happens when I run my own back test and how that compares. So if you've been hunting for an XAUUSD report that claims to use multiple indicators and points to find high probability scalp entries, Sentient EA is probably going to catch your eye. The name sounds smart, the description sounds technical, and the promises are that you can optimize it to fit different assets and time frames. But as always, we are going to strip away all the buzzwords and see what's really under the hood, how the tests actually look, and what that means for someone thinking about putting real money behind this thing. Alright, so let's take a look at what the developer claims. Right, just expanded that so we can see it more clearly. Alright, Sentient is described as the next evolution of scalping, as you can see. And it's pretty clear that the EA is built around a cluster of indicators and points. Okay, all these have to line up before it fires the trade. They emphasize that there are many inputs and that you can either stick to some basic threshold settings or go much deeper and use all of the internal filters. They also make a big deal out of optimization. You're told very explicitly to optimize before you test and before you use it live. The developer mentions that they personally like to run it on XAUUSD and that you should optimize on the time frame and asset you choose. That alone tells you a lot. This isn't pitched as a plug and play robot that works out of the box on any symbol. It is pitched as a highly tunable engine where your results will depend heavily on how you optimize it. They say Sentient has more points and indicators compared to their previous EA, and that these are combined into a cluster signal. So in plain trader language, instead of just using one or two indicators to decide when to buy or sell, Sentient is checking a bunch of conditions at once. Maybe trend, maybe volatility, maybe some candle patterns or oscillator levels. They don't spell out the exact formula, but they want you to know it's multi-layered. Okay. So the developer also talks about forward optimization producing positive results. As you can see. And mentions that a lower evolution EA, their neural scalper, has shown positive live performance. That's a subtle way of borrowing credibility. My older robot works live, so this new one, which is more advanced, should be even better. It's not direct proof, but it's clearly part of the pitch. And then you've got the usual set of disclaimers: high risk margin trading, past performance not indicative of future results, and pretty long hypothetical results disclaimer. That's standard, but the fact they stress hypothetical performance reminds you that a lot of what you're seeing is backtest only. So summarizing the sales pitch in traders terms, Sentient is a short-term scalper with a multi-indicator cluster entry. It's heavily dependent on optimization. The dev is positioning it mainly for gold, XAUUSD, and they're implying that with the right optimization, it can produce solid forward results. All right, so let's take a look at the developer tests and results. As you can see, one of the key screenshots from the developer shows a long test with a rising equity curve. At first glance, it looks decent. The balance and equity lines are climbing over time. And visually, you see those typical surges and pullbacks you'd expect from a scalping system that trades frequently. When you dig into the stats, though, the picture is more mixed. In one of their reports, as you can see, an initial deposit of $100,000, a total net profit a little over $1 million, a profit factor over 1.1, a relatively high win rate around the upper 70s in percentage terms, and then a maximum relative drawdown hovering close to the 50 mark. All right. So let's just close this up. So yes, on paper it turned 100K into over a million in that specific test period. But it did that while accepting drawdowns around half of the accounts. That's aggressive. A profit factor just a bit above one isn't that impressive when you pair it with such a large drawdown. It tells you the system is grinding out a lot of small wins with some pretty heavy losing periods along the way. You also see that the gross profit and gross loss numbers are huge in absolute terms. That's another sign that this thing is trading a lot and swinging big. All right, so quickly let's go over to my backtest and see how this holds up. So we can compare and see what it actually looks like when put through personal backtests. Okay, so let's talk about, as I said, what happened when I ran my own backtest and how that lines up with the marketing. In my backtest, I focused on XAUUSD, just like the developer suggests, and I used the recent period from 2025 April 1st to 2026 April 1st. That's a year with high quality data. The equity curve I got, as you can see, is basically the opposite of that big million plus profit graph, rather. It's a smooth, consistent decline from the top left to the bottom right. The tiny bumps where you can see some profitable cluster of trades, but the overall direction is down. The test started with a balance of $10,000 and finished roughly $3,100 lower. All right, as you can see over here, total net profits around minus 3,100. Profit factor about 0.74. That means losses outweighed profits. Maximum relative drawdown roughly 31%. Put simply, with the configuration I used, and again on gold, Sentient didn't just underperform, it lost money over the test period. The curve doesn't show one giant crash, it shows a relative erosion or a consistent erosion of the account, which is often worse because it means the edge just isn't there under those conditions. And see the total number of trades taken were 18,645 trades. Alright, now comparing that to the developer's million profit backtest, you can see the gap. They show one configuration that produced huge gains but at the cost of very deep drawdown. When I tested it in a realistic recent window, I got a controlled but steady loss. Alright, so who is this Sentient EA for? Let's just return back to the developers page. It could make sense for traders who are very comfortable with optimization and forward testing. It might also be interesting for someone who wants to study how multi-indicator cluster systems behave in different regimes and doesn't mind using it first on a demo or very small live account as an experiment. As for who should probably avoid it, anyone looking for a fire and forget toolbox that they can just attach to an account and walk away from. Traders who draw down on one smooth low stress equity curves, and people trading on high spreads, low execution brokers, where any tiny edge a scalper might have evaporates instantly. My realistic verdict is this: Sentient EA is marketed as a sophisticated scalper, but the real story is that it's highly sensitive to optimization and market conditions. If you treat it as an experimental tool and size your risks accordingly, fine. If you're hoping to be a reliable gold printing machine, I'll be very cautious. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more nonsense EA reviews, and drop a comment telling me which robots you want me to review next. And don't forget, you can check out that free MT4 and MT5 Forex robots with built-in indicators and candlestick patterns using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.